Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw influencer earnings from later payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your influencer earnings from later payments, start by logging into your later payments account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your earnings overview. Locate the withdrawal section, typically found in the menu. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to select your payment method. Choose between options like bank transfer or PayPal, depending on what is available. If you select bank transfer, input your bank details as requested. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays. For PayPal, enter your PayPal email address carefully. Once you've filled in the necessary details, review them for accuracy. Next, specify the amount you wish to withdraw from your earnings. Keep in mind any minimum withdrawal limits that may apply. After confirming the amount, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request has been received. The processing time may vary based on your chosen payment method. Make sure to check your email for updates related to your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Once processed, your earnings will be transferred according to the payment method you selected. Track your payment in your transaction history for further reference. This concludes the process for withdrawing your influencer earnings from later payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.